Welcome to our hair dryer showcase. Today, we'll explore the top hair dryers available on Amazon. Discover how these high-performance dryers can enhance your hair care routine with fast drying times and reduce frizz. Let's dive in. Affordable and effective, this dryer uses infrared heat and tourmaline technology to enhance shine and reduce heat damage. It comes with both diffuser and concentrator attachments. This lightweight and ergonomic dryer uses nanotitanium technology to speed up drying time and reduce frizz. It's powerful yet gentle, with multiple heat and speed settings. This budget-friendly option uses ceramic technology to create even heat and airflow, reducing frizz and adding volume. It includes a diffuser and concentrator for versatile styling. This ultra-lightweight dryer dries hair much faster with smart features like a temperature sensor and self-cleaning mechanism. It's ideal for all hair types and includes 4 attachments. Known for its fast drying time and ability to reduce frizz, the Dyson Supersonic comes with multiple attachments. Like a diffuser and concentrator nozzle, it uses intelligent heat control to prevent extreme heat damage.